All right, we are beginning our coverage with a big revelation. The retrieved messages from Ria's phone on her drug connection. A 2017 message of Ria Chakraborty to one Gaurav Arya says, and I quote, "In case we speak about hard drugs, I haven't done too many," unquote. The chat was revolving around synthetic psychotropic drug MDMA, also known as ecstasy in rave party circles, where it used to be a recreational drug. In the chat, Ria had also asked Gaurav Arya if MD was available. The revelation comes despite Ria's claim that she never used drugs in her life and ready for a medical test. Meanwhile, India Today has accessed another WhatsApp chat between Sushant's former manager Shruti Modi and Ria Chakraborty that shows that Sushant had promised to quit weed and was taking medication. So that's the latest that is coming in right there. Ria Chakraborty admitting drug use right there, and even a conversation where Sushant said that he takes weed, but he will stop it in a bit. Arvind Ojha is joining us live, and Pankaj Upadhyay is joining us live from Mumbai as well. First up, let's go straight across to Arvind Ojha. Arvind, ये क्या खुलासा हो रहा है? ये जो 2017 के WhatsApp messages जो हमने एक्सेस किए, रिया गौरव आर्या से क्या MDMA मांग रही है?
जी बिल्कुल, आपको बताऊं कि इंडिया टुडे के पास वो एक्सक्लूसिव चैट है जिसमें बाकायदा जो रिया चक्रवर्ती है वो MDMA जो यूरोप से मुंबई में बाकायदा स्मगलिंग की जाती है और पार्टी ड्रग्स के नाम से जानी जाती है, उसको सॉफ्ट फॉर्म में MD भी कहते हैं, उसकी बातचीत कर रही है। हालांकि रिया चक्रवर्ती ने अपने वकील के जरिए कल ये मैसेज भिजवाया था कि उन्होंने कभी भी कोई ड्रग्स नहीं लिया है, वो अपना ब्लड टेस्ट कराने को तैयार है। लेकिन जो हमारे पास व्हाट्सएप चैट है और साथ ही साथ जो एजेंसीज के पास, खासकर इन्फोर्समेंट डायरेक्टोरेट के पास और नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो के पास जो चैट है, उससे खुलासा हो रहा है कि न सिर्फ रिया ड्रग्स की बात कर रही थी कि कुछ ड्रग्स डीलरों से उनके कांटेक्ट भी हो सकते हैं। शायद यही वजह है कि नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो अब इस मामले की जांच कर रहा है। आपसे कुछ देर पहले बाद जो नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो के डायरेक्टर है राकेश अस्थाना, वो इस पूरे मामले पर एक बड़ी मीटिंग करने वाले हैं जिसमें ये प्लान तैयार होगा कि कौन सी यूनिट वो इस मामले की जांच कर रही है चैती। लेकिन बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट ये है कि इस मामले में ईडी जांच कर रही है, फाइनेंशियल एंगल पर सीबीआई जांच कर रही है सुशांत की मौत पर, लेकिन नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो को कल एनफोर्समेंट डायरेक्टर ने एक लेटर लिखा था और व्हाट्सएप चैट दिए थे।
I'd just like to hold on right there, Arvind. I'm going to go to Pankaj Upadhyay as well. Pankaj, you've got Arvind who's got these WhatsApp chats that shows that Ria was consuming drugs. It shows that she was speaking about MDMA and she wanted to procure, and the fact that she was talking about hard drugs, and all this banter is going on with a certain Gaurav Arya. But as far as Sushant was concerned, there was also one chat that shows that Sushant had promised to quit weed, which means Sushant also was on weed. So we can't just say Ria Chakraborty was taking drugs. It was even Sushant. They were all together in it.
Oh, yes, of course, Chaiti, we are not drawing any conclusions here. What we are only putting out is what we are hearing from our sources in the Enforcement Directorate, in the Mumbai Police and the CBI, and what we are seeing on ground zero. So as far as this new sensational revelation that has come out, the information that I'll give you now, first of all, sure shot. This means that it spells, if it is proven that Ria Chakraborty was either using, consuming, was selling, importing, exporting, transporting, whatever, as the sources are saying, this means sure shot trouble. It's a non-bailable offense. Depending on the amount that was with her, if it is proven at all, then there could be jail term from anywhere to 6 months to around 30 years as well. But that's hypothetically speaking. Nothing has been proven as of now. In fact, her lawyer has gone on to say that she has never consumed drugs in her life and that she is ready for tests at any point of time. But here, what my sources in the ED are saying that they were looking at the financial angle and they were taking down the statements of the various people under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. When they got the possession of the phone, they looked at the various WhatsApp messages over the years. Many of them, of course, had been deleted as well. It was then that they discovered this particular chat. But of course, as ED was concentrating, it's
okay. You know, while you're talking about that, hold on right there, Arvind, Pankaj, hold on right there. Let's get you the drug clincher in proper detail in terms of what really transpired. 8th of March 2017, 8:26 p.m. Ria Chakraborty tells Gaurav Arya, "In case we speak about hard drugs, I have not done too many." According to him, MDMA once. 8th of March 2017, 8:55 p.m. Ria Chakraborty again to Gaurav Arya says, do you have MD? So she's asking whether he's got MDMA in his possession. Why would one ask that question in case one wouldn't want to consume it? 25th November 2019, 5:53 a.m. Jaya Saha to Riya Chakraborty says have asked him to coordinate with Shruti and have it sent up. That's the other revelation. 25th November 2019 at 6:01 a.m. Jaya Saha to Riya Chakraborty says use 4 drops in coffee, tea or water and let him sip it. Give it 30 to 40 minutes for it to kick in. We don't know which drug that they are talking about. Whether this was a prescribed one, unprescribed one, that's unclear at the moment. On 17th April 2020, 12:38 p.m. Samuel Miranda WhatsApps Riya Chakraborty says, "Hi Riya, the stuff is almost over." April 17, 2020, 12:39 p.m. goes on to say, should we take it from Shauvik's friend, but he has just had hash and bud. So obviously this is showing a connection where all of them were not doing a witch hunt against Riya Chakraborty, whether it was Shauvik, whether it was Riya, whether it was Jaya Saha, whose name has popped up, whether it was Shruti, whether it was Sushant. They were all on some kind of narcotic or the other.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.